Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. Today I'm going to explain about physics concept in golf that involve forces and aerodynamics that occur during hitting the ball, during its flight through the air, during the run of the ball and during the kite.
So the first one is the golf ball. As golf ball travels through the air, wind resistance creates drag which slows down the ball. The impulse on a golf ball reduces the drag of the air, making it possible for the ball to go faster and farther. Next is the Newton's first law of motion in golf that stated object in motion will stay in motion while object at rest will remain until acted upon by an outside forces.
Why does the golf ball does not fall down from the tee? This is because of the balance forces, downward and upward forces of the golf ball itself allow the golf ball to remain balanced on the tee.
So the golf ball will stay on the tee until the club hit the ball. Next is the Newton's second law of motion in golf that stated force is equal to the mass times acceleration. For example, the golf club. The heavier the golf club may provide more power upon impact and result in greater distance. So the heavier the mass of the club head, the more the force is required for the golf ball to accelerate. When a golf ball carries an unbalanced forces, it carries a change in velocity. The change in velocity is acceleration. From the equation F equals to ma, we can conclude that the greater the force applied to the golf ball, the greater the acceleration. The last one is the Newton's third law of motion in golf that stated when one object exerts a force on a second object, the second object exerts an equal opposite forces on the first object. So as the club hit the ball, it applies force, causing it to go in motion. In return, the ball applies an equal force back to the club. This force flows down the club. So that's all about the physics concept in golf.